With the advent of globalization, technological advancements, and the growing number of low-cost competitors, the manufacturing sector is facing unprecedented pressure on product pricing, as well as scrutiny on profit margins. This makes it imperative for enterprises to adopt continuous efficiency and productivity improvements to stay competitive. The increased focus on the product costs incurred throughout the lifecycle phases and the need to optimize them for multiple value stream functions in the process requires accurate cost estimates, real-time cost information availability, enablement of engineering functions, cost analysis, and identification of optimization opportunities. Infosys Product Cost Optimization practice, with its business transformative set of solutions and services, helps enterprises across industry verticals steer their cost reduction initiatives. At the core of this practice is the cost estimation activity, where Infosys' established framework helps publish estimates in a factory model of execution, meeting business requisites of stringent timelines, accuracy, and volumes. The treasure trove of cost information generated is then processed, leveraging Infosys' proven expertise in design engineering, manufacturing, and sourcing, along with cost data analysis and cross-domain experience. Infosys PCO practice then helps align multiple optimization approaches and methods to multiple value stream functions, tailoring the solutions and services to their needs. For example, a major aircraft OEM had a tremendous volume of more than 100,000 aerospace parts with expiring sourcing contracts. Infosys PCO helped them cost estimate within a short span of time and realize significant savings on more than 20,000 parts exclusively through their supplier analysis and contract renegotiations within 1 year. These estimates form the basis of the customer's value engineering, bringing in additional savings across programs. We even helped accelerate a Japanese equipment manufacturer's initiative to design and position their introductory automotive product to a new geography through market analysis and competitive benchmarking, effectively resulting in 20% lowered introductory price and a firm foothold to expand from. Infosys also collaborated with a US-based life sciences global leader to design and develop cost-effective transcatheter devices. The Infosys Product Cost Optimization Platform is a modular build, one-stop solution for cost estimation, analysis, and optimization, playing a key role in upgauging the scope and reach of the optimization activities. From studying your product offerings, analyzing your engineering data to improve production planning, and strengthening your supply chain network, Infosys can address the cost optimization needs of your product portfolio by seamlessly integrating services and solutions to your systems, helping you transform the way you design, manufacture, and service your products. To know more, visit www.infosys.com.